Hey guys, Justin here from SSC Garage. We've almost got this thing back together, ready for November 1st. Still got to put the power steering pump on. We just got done putting the new water pump, everything on, as you can see there. Timing belt, everything's already on, brand new. Put everything on it, new tensioner, idler pulley, new belts, everything. Got our new radiator cap installed, and we have a driver's side back wheel, guys. We got it all back together. All we do is got to bleed the brakes, finish a little bit up front, and we'll be able to start this thing. So please like and subscribe, stay tuned. We'll show you the first startup on this thing, and hopefully we got it right and we didn't blow a head gasket. Hey guys, hope you can hear me over the car over there, but we've got everything done on the car. It's all put back in time, everything's put back together on it, and we just got the radiator filled up here. We're charging the battery right now because we got a dead battery on the car, so we're hoping this is going to be the first startup on this car, so we're hoping we didn't blow the head on it. So just stick tuned here, and we'll get this thing charged up real quick, and then we'll start it and see if we got a blown head or see if we can make the race this November. All right, I think we charged it up enough. Let's see what happens here. Put the key in it. Reach in here. Let the fuel pump kick on a couple times because the tank was completely empty. We put about 5 gallons in it, so we're hoping this thing will run. Sound like she started, boys. Guys, we're gonna let this thing warm up, see if it's gonna overheat, see if we blowed the head or not, or see if it's gonna stay cool. It's gonna take a few minutes, but we'll let you know. And all right guys, this thing's been running for about 45 minutes now. We have no leaks, it's running great, not running hot at all. Fans have been kicking on and off, no problem. And we have no leaks, so I think we're good. Have 0 leaks under the car. So I think we're going to be able to make it November 1st this weekend. We've wrenched on this thing and wrenched on this thing. I don't know if you can tell there. Temperature's staying great. So no blown head gasket, guys. Oh, there you go. Fans are kicking on down. The fans all kicked on, everything like that, but we're actually going to still wire the fans in so I can actually wire them up and just kick them on and leave them on. We don't want it to overheat again, which it shouldn't. It shouldn't have no problem running this time. So we're going to be there on November 1st, guys. So I'll see you guys out there. If you guys see us there, come hang out, you know, like and subscribe. It only helps the channel grow. Thank you, guys.